is Noor, and this is my channel, Noor's Adventure, and hope you enjoy what I made today. So, in this pink mystery box has something inside, but my mom put. Let's see. So, this is what the Kingdom of Fairies and Elves Doodle Scratchbook. So, it looks colorful. It has a stick. It has so many pages. Open. Feels nice. So, let's get the stick out. It has tape on it. So, we're gonna go from here. Oh, first one. Let's see. So we're scratching. This with use, and yeah, because it's just a little bit more left, and I want to do it with you. There we go. I'll show you how to make a star. Boom, bam, bam, boom, bam, boom. Star. There you go. This is a lovely star I made over here. But let's finish it. So, let me just do the tiny parts here. Came out. This is so beautiful. A unicorn, a fairy, so much, and a moon. Stars, wind, flowers, light, stars, small circle stars, yeah, and thoughts. And I'll just give you some. We can color this in. And this one, that drawing with this moon girl sitting, bubbly, and so much, and a unicorn. So, and if you like my video, please like, share, and oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you will know my videos. Bye.